Building credit does not require carrying debt, paying interest, or opening several accounts at once. A credit card can help establish a positive credit history, but only when the account reports to the credit bureaus and is managed consistently. A credit report is a record of credit accounts, payment history, balances, inquiries, and certain public information. A credit score is a numerical estimate created from information in a credit report. Different lenders and scoring companies may use different models, so a person can have several credit scores at the same time. The foundation of credit building is payment history. A lender wants evidence that borrowed money is repaid as agreed. The simplest strategy is to place one small, predictable expense on the card, such as a streaming subscription or phone bill, and pay the statement balance in full by the due date. The size of the purchase does not need to be large. Credit utilization also matters. Utilization compares reported revolving balances with available credit limits. If a card has a $500 limit and reports a $400 balance, utilization is 80%. A $400 balance may not seem large in dollars, but it is large relative to the limit. Paying before the statement closes can reduce the balance that may be reported, although reporting dates vary. You do not need to leave a balance unpaid to build credit. Carrying debt and paying interest does not create extra credit building value. The useful information is that the account was used and payments were made as agreed. Paying the statement balance in full can establish positive history while avoiding purchase interest when a grace period applies. Someone with no credit history may need a starter product. A secured credit card typically requires a refundable cash deposit that protects the issuer. A $500 deposit may support a limit near $500, though terms differ. The cardholder still receives a monthly bill and must make payments. The deposit does not automatically pay the bill. Before opening a secured card, confirm that the issuer reports to the nationwide credit reporting companies. Review annual fees, application fees, APRs, deposit refund rules, and whether the account can graduate to an unsecured card. A prepaid card or debit card generally does not build traditional credit because those products do not involve borrowing and repayment. Becoming an authorized user is another possible path. The primary cardholder adds another person to the account, and the issuer may report the account on the authorized user's credit file. Reporting practices vary, and negative activity can create problems. The primary cardholder remains responsible for the debt in most authorized user arrangements, while a joint account holder is generally legally responsible for the full balance. Applying carefully is important. A formal credit card application usually creates a hard inquiry, which can affect a score. Checking your own credit, receiving a pre-screened offer, or completing some pre-qualification processes may involve a soft inquiry instead. Pre-qualification is not a guarantee of approval, and opening several accounts quickly can make a new borrower appear risky. Account age can contribute to a credit profile, so consistency is more valuable than chasing rapid results. Keep the first card open when it remains useful and affordable, but do not keep an expensive or harmful account solely because of a credit score myth. Closing a card can reduce available credit and raise utilization, so review the effect before acting. Monitor the account for errors and fraud. Use annualcreditreport.com, the federally authorized website, to review reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Checking your own report does not hurt your score. Confirm that the account appears correctly, the payment history is accurate, and personal information does not suggest identity theft. A practical beginner system is simple. Use one card for a small budgeted purchase. Set an automatic payment for at least the minimum as a safety net. Pay the full statement balance by the due date. Keep the reported balance low relative to the limit. Avoid unnecessary applications. Review the account and credit reports regularly. Credit building takes time because the purpose is to demonstrate a pattern. No legitimate company can instantly create years of positive payment history. Be cautious of businesses that promise to remove accurate negative information or create a new credit identity. The main takeaway is that strong credit grows from ordinary behavior repeated over time. Borrow a manageable amount, pay on time, keep balances controlled, apply selectively, and verify the information being reported. Paying interest is not part of the requirement. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, or investment advice. Credit products and scoring models vary, so review the terms and consider your circumstances before applying. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.